Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue with a hand mixer. Full guide. Start by separating eggs and keeping whites free of yolk, then bring whites to room temperature to whip more easily. Use a clean bowl, and making sure no grease is present will help peaks form. Add sugar gradually, while continuing to whip and test for glossy stiff peaks before baking or using in recipes. Whip whites on low until foamy, then increase speed for steady aeration that builds structure. Gradually add sugar in small portions while the mixer runs to ensure it dissolves and yields a glossy texture without graininess. Monitor temperature and stop when you see stiff, shiny peaks that hold shape. Avoid overbeating by checking frequently, since overwhipped meringue becomes dry and can collapse when folded into recipes. Grainy or weepy meringue usually means undissolved sugar or moisture issues, so adjust whipping time and sugar addition. If the mixture collapses, gently stop and assess whether it was overbeaten or exposed to fat. Small fixes may save it, but sometimes starting fresh is best. For baked meringues, low humidity and gradual cooling prevent cracking and sogginess, so plan baking times and avoid opening the oven too.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.